Hey guys, Terry here. Hey, it is now March, so it's time for me to do my third layout in this series. These are from Creative Memories, and they're called the Noteworthy Simple Page Kits. You can buy them individually. They're just $6 for a 2-page layout, and it comes with the stickers. So this, if you remember, was the January one. So how cute is that? I haven't added any stickers yet because I don't know if it's going to be for my New Year's pictures or birthday. Maybe it's going to be birthday, so I don't know. So this was the first 2-page layout. And then this was the second one. This is what I showed you in February. So how cute is that? Again, it comes with a lot of stickers. I've put a couple of them on there. And it's just waiting for the pictures to be added. So that was the second month. And then the third month is what I'm going to show you today. And if you buy, there is a set that has all 3 of them, and it comes with these folders. So I'm excited to collect these over the year because then I'll have 12 of these pockets, and I think that'll help me when I'm putting together larger albums from big trips. I'll be able to put in here the papers and the stickers and you know, for each section of the big album that I want to make. So you pay a little bit more for that to get all 3 sets with the pockets. But like I said, these layouts are just $6, and I think that's a really good price because you know what we pay for paper and stickers, right? So this set here is going to be, let's see, it's going to be like this. And like this. Hold on, I'll get there. It's this one and this way. And so it comes with the 2 base pages that have a certain, you know, arrangement on them already, so you don't have to do that work. And then it comes with this page, which is cut aparts. So you simply do these on your trimmer and cut those pieces apart. And then you can use the stickers the way they suggest or not. But I really like, here they show a picture with, you know, the layout with pictures on it, and then here it shows without the pictures, just to give you an idea. And you can make it your own, right? You can cut the pictures the way you need to. But I do like their layouts because they provide for plenty of spaces for you to have, you know, lots of photos from your occasion. So love that. So let me trim the paper and lay this, and we'll see what number 3 looks like. So really the only tools that you need are your paper trimmer and your tape runner and your photographs. So I love this trimmer because I can see exactly where I'm trimming. And it also has these little tabs that you can pull out and line those up with where it's going to cut. So love it for that. Just so you can be very exact. Here's number 1. Okay, so I've got the pieces cut. I've got them laid out on here. I might wait to glue them down. I might just do a little tack here. Just do like a spot there, because once I have my photos on here, I'll want to layer them. So I might just hold them in place with a little spot. And same with this. Depending on how big my pictures are down here, I might not want to glue this down yet. So if you just tack it a little bit, or put the pieces back in the bag that it comes in. So yeah, I think it'll hold a lot of pictures. I can put 4x4s on here and my 4x6s on here and do my journaling. And then they've got suggestions on how you do the title here. So it's got memories and little stickers sprinkled throughout. So, but I usually wait to put the stickers on until I have my pictures because I just don't know exactly how I'm going to arrange it. But yeah, that is number 3. I'll have links to the Creative Memories website. If you don't have an advisor, I would appreciate you using my name. If not, look for someone local in your area. You can search on the Creative Memory page by zip code and find someone to support in your local area. And yeah, so I hope you do something fun this week, whether it's sewing or scrapbooking or making cards. Just find something fun to work on. And I will talk to you later. Bye, guys.